welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen, my nieces and nephews. And to those of you that are just watching my video, I appreciate you as well. I appreciate all of you for your love and support to my channel. Without you, my channel would not have as many subscribers. I don't know how many subs I have. I just don't know. I'm sorry. I just don't know, okay? Some things I just don't remember. Okay, so today we're going to be making chocolate chip with sandwiches, ice cream sandwiches rather. You know, the little chocolate chip cookies with the ice cream in the middle, and then you have the chocolate chips. But I'm not going to be using the regular ice cream. I'm going to be using low carb ice cream, okay? So give me a moment. I'm going to do a flip and a swip. Flip, swip, swip, flip, whatever I call it. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, and so we're going to get started so you can make these for yourself. And you can use any flavor ice cream you want. I'm using vanilla, okay? I will see you in a flip and a flip, swip. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, we're going to do this first. I'm using the, this is the carton of the Carb Smart. And this is the ice cream that I eat. I spread it out in a bowl, and I'm going to put this back in the freezer so it will stay frozen. Okay, we will be using 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of semi-chocolate chips, or you can use regular chocolate chips. It's up to you. Now, those sugar-free chocolate chips, I'm going to tell you, you use those, you're going to have a really bad stomach ache, okay? They don't, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, okay, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 stick of salted butter, not salted butter. Well, my butter's a little melted, but it's still gonna work. Softened butter. I don't know if I said salted or salt. Softened butter. I got rumbles and rumbles and stumbles today. You know, it's me. It doesn't define me. It's just part of me. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to get my little hand mixer because I'm not bringing out Ollie Mae for this. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to cream my sugar. Add your sugars to your butter, and we're going to cream this together first until it's nice and creamy. But I'm not going to have all this noise in your ears. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll go ahead and get your oven started with preheating. My wishes and sauce in there for something I got to make my husband. Okay, at this point, go ahead and add your egg and your vanilla. Always shake your vanilla. If you don't have pure vanilla extract, you can use the imitation, okay? But you can use that. Okay, now I'm going to add my flour, my baking soda, and the salt. And I'm going to mix that together. Now I'm going to add my chocolate chips in, but I'm going to fold them in. It's better. So you get some goodness in every bite. See what I'm doing? Got to get that goodness in every bite. Okay, now I'm going to get my pan and my parchment paper. As soon as I stop running up my doggone water bill. Okay, I moved my dough to another bowl. Here's our dough. And if it didn't have the egg in it, you could eat this. You can use the chocolate chip cookie dough, but I don't do raw eggs. Okay, you can use, if you don't have a medium scoop, you can take the little baby scoop. That's 1 tablespoon. You can just double it, okay? But this is a medium scoop. So I'm going to get my dough, scoop out my nice pretty dough, put right there. And I'm going to show you, you're probably looking like I got a lot of space between them, and I'll show you why. There's 1 sandwich. It's 2 sandwiches. You go back in there. It's 3 sandwiches. 4 sandwiches. I'm getting on y'all nerve. Huh? Okay. And I'm just going to take these and make regular cookies. Give them to my sister. Or my mom. They cookie eaters. Come move this down. And what you're going to do, you're going to take the palm of your hand. Clean hands, clean hands. And you're going to smash them like that. Well, should come up. Smash them with the palm of your hand like that. And then you just take them off. You kind of jacked up over here, but that's okay. And I'm going to put these in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, our cookies are done, and I went on just did the other ones. I think I got like four cookies out of there. I can't remember. So I'm going to, these have to completely cool before I can put any ice cream in them, okay? So I'll be right back. And I'm going to go ahead and measure which cutter I need. I'll go with that cutter. Or that one. It depends. Depends on how much ice cream. So I'm going to just take this one out, these 2 off. I'll be right back. And I'm going to be using the mini chips to roll them in. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using, just get one of these things here. Use one of my disposable cutting boards. And I'm just going to pour my chips on. And we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, I have my board and my parchment paper. Put this in the freezer. Well, it's going to flash freeze. Okay, we're going to assemble our ice cream sandwiches now. Now you can do this 1 or 2 ways. You can use one of these and just cut it if you want to be all cute. Or you can go with a spoon, okay? It's up to you. You can go with a spoon, or you can just, you want to be cutie pie. I say you can go with a spoon. And you put your cookie on, smash it down so your ice cream will come out. And the only thing you need to do is roll your cookie gently down there, your cookie roll, the chip roll. That's it. And I'm going to put this over here real quick. Got to work fast. Put this over here. Then I'm not doing all that. You scoop you some more ice creamy. Put you some more on there. And the only thing you're doing is put your cookie on top. Smash. Smashy smash. Smooth it out. because you want your ice cream to come out. And just roll your chips. Y'all like my singing? Told y'all, honey, I be wanting stuff too. Okay? And I'll be back. Let's get some more rolled out, okay? You get some ice cream sticking out, just take your spoons and smooth it out. Okay? If you want to. If you want them to look all cute and perfect, you can do that. If you just trying to get them done, because they're going to be delicious. And if you have kids and grandkids that like ice cream sandwiches, because they charge an arm and a leg for these things, and you don't get but like 4 in a box. One more thing about these cookies, nieces and nephews. These cookies stay soft. They're not hard cookies, okay? They stay soft. That's why, you know, these are perfect for the ice cream sandwiches, because they stay soft. All right, guys, here's our first ice cream chip sandwich out of the freezer. Nice and it's frozen. So here it is, our first chip sandwich. And I'm going to show you how to, this is how I do it. I don't put them in sandwich bags. I wrap them in saran wrap. And if I can find my scissors to cut it, I will show you. And then when I I got that craving, or you get that craving, here they are, right? So, great snack. I don't eat them all the time, but you know, when you crave something and you want that ice cream sandwich and you don't want to go to the grocery store and pay $6 for a box of 4, you see, I made all of these, and you know, it is what it is. Hold on, nieces and nephews. Thank you guys for watching my video. How do you make the chocolate chip sandwich, whatever you call them. Okay, ice cream sandwiches rolled in chocolate chips. Okay, is that better? Okay, so anyway, thank you for watching my video. Again, this was made with the Carb Smart ice cream by Breyers, because that's what I eat. So to the next upload, I will see you guys later. Go be you, but be great being you. And if you got lemons in your life, try to make some lemonade. That's, you know, easier said than done, because, you know, sometimes you at least try to make you some lemonade, okay? All right. Hugs and kisses to each of you. I love you guys. I truly love you guys. And I will see you later. Bye.